Hi there, as some of you requested, today I am making this teriyaki chicken. Hope you enjoy this recipe as well. For prep work, we're going to slice chicken thigh or chicken breast meat into 1.5-inch cubes, set aside in a bowl. Meanwhile, we're going to make this teriyaki chicken sauce with the ingredients I have listed here. Simply mix until it's fully combined and smooth. Now quickly heat up some cooking oil in a skillet, adding chicken and a little bit of cooking wine to get rid of the gamey taste. Stir fry until golden brown. Finally, adding the teriyaki chicken sauce to mix until the sauce thickens. Garnish with some spring onion and sesame seeds. There you have it. This recipe is super easy, right? You can make it under 15 minutes. Please check out the full recipe in my bio link. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun cooking. Bye bye.